Hi, Gibaud, and today my monthly Luminar NEO video. But this month I don't want to speak about so much about how to retouch, but how to get there. Yes, they've created something that can really help you. It's called Assistant AI, and basically it helps you to get to where you want to go, what feature to use or not to use, all this. So we're going to have a look at it. So let's start. Software are every day harder and harder to understand because there are so many features that are so packed with things that people are lost. So Luminar NEO decided to answer this by a great chat. It's called Assistant AI, and basically it will suggest what to do to your picture or how to get there. Or basically you can ask him. Maybe you don't know how to remove something, you ask. Or you don't know how to enhance something or how to improve something, you just ask. And it will tell you the way to do it. So the best way to show you how it works is to have a few examples. The important is not really the result of the picture I show you, but how the assistant works and how it can really help you to get to where you want to get. But don't forget, if you want to have Luminar NEO, I've got links in the description where you can get it. And don't forget that with Eric10, you get 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still place my code and you save some money. So let's go for it. To show you how the Assistant AI works, I've picked 3 pictures that are not perfect. They need to be fixed to see what it offers. We're going to start with the landscape. And obviously I could start develop as I do sometime, like auto adjust all this or adjust, but let's say I don't know how to do that. And my first thinking is maybe I would like to change the sky. Maybe I would remove this cable here. Maybe I would like to enhance the picture. So what would I have to do? Here I go to the bottom right, I click here and the assistant appears. It explains briefly how it works. It offers you some options, or like you want to enhance the picture, or you want to change it to black and white, or you want to remove distractions or things like this, or you can put your own question. If I don't know where to start, I could click here, say enhance the photo. It starts thinking and tells me some solutions, okay, that I may like or not. But the idea is not to show you the best result, is to show you how to get to what you want. As you can see, it tells me edit 1, explain what is done, edit 2, edit 3. If I click here, actually it will do automatically the edit, as you can see, okay? If I don't like it, I could go back to adjustment, reset, revert to original, okay? Let's say what I want to do is change the sky. So I'm going to ask, how can I change the sky? Ask the question. You just write in your own language and that's it. Goes for it. And the question here, it says Sky AI. I recommend Sky AI to completely. Maybe you don't know where Sky AI is, so you just click here, Sky. It brings you to the right section. Here I'm going to pick the first one just to show you. And it does the job. Not just only it changes the sky. As you can see, it also changes the reflection, everything. It's funny because in English it just offered me that. In Spanish and French it also suggested I would remove this cable, okay? But let's say I'm going to ask how I could, he said I could improve going there. Okay, I'm going to go to the Enhance AI and accent a bit, Sky Enhance. At any time I can click, see the original, and right now what I have. The idea is not that you change skies always. The idea is to use the assistant when you don't know how to do things you want to do, okay? So I'm going to ask how I could remove the cable on the right. How can I remove the electric cable on the right? You don't know how to do that. You're new to Luminar NEO and you have no idea how to do that. So let's ask the AI how to do it. Basically it says, I recommend erase to remove the distraction electric cable. So I click erase and it brings me to the section of erase. I'm going to change the size to put it as small as possible. I'm going to select this cable I don't like. Okay. Let's go for it to be as precise as possible. Okay, I click here. erase, it's erasing, and cable has gone. That was before, and this is now on before the cable and now. Also, I don't like to have this, there's a post here, I don't know how to remove it. So I clearly need to reframe. I don't know how to reframe. Okay, so I ask how to reframe the photo. The good thing about this is that as much as you use AI, you go learning how the software works. So sometimes you will still ask things, and other time you will don't need to ask because it goes straight away to the right place. It says I could. It also says I could check the sky again, but I'm going to crop here. It goes to crop, and here I'm going to crop, apply, and now I will not have this on the right. So that was my picture when I open it, and now. Okay, I could still work on it, still do things. The idea is not how much things you do, but how to have the information to know how to do it. Let's go to another picture. By the way, if you want to help me, don't forget I've activated the member area of my YouTube channel. There's a join button just below, and for just €1.99 a month, I place a small star next to your name so I know you have the channel, so I answer your question with priority. I also have affiliate links in the description, please use them. As I said, with Luminar NEO, with Eric 10, get a 10% discount on top of any offer they have. And with Eric 20, get a 20% discount with K&F, where you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and more brands. So use it. That saves you some money, that helps me, everyone happy. So let's carry on. Here is a picture of Noah. It is underexposed, okay? And I don't really know how to do that. So I'm going to go to develop because I know about develop, for example. I'm going to put up this a bit, the shadows a bit up, okay, the highlights down, okay. But really the big problem with this picture is the skin. I don't know how to do it. So I'm going to ask the assistant how to remove distraction, all this. I don't like the possibilities he offers me straight away. I'm going to ask how to improve the skin. Okay, I don't know what it's going to do because in Spanish, when I said how to improve the skin, it says, ask me about photography, not about skin. And then I said, on these pictures. He said, oh, okay. And then he told me how to do it on the picture. So I think it's important to be precise, okay? He says, I recommend Skin AI to smooth the skin and remove blemishes, focus on the face, or refine the look. So let's go for skin. And here, I've got skin here. I'm going to go here, skin defect remove, amount, okay. I can also remove the shine, as you can see, before and after. Okay, the important is not the result, as I said. The important is how to get that. Now maybe I would like to better the eyes, maybe better a few things. I'm going to ask him how to better the face. How to improve the face. Let's see what it says. So it says go to Skin AI again or go to face. We're going to face. Okay, we've done that. Sorry, no, I wanted to go to Skin AI to skin. Okay, then no, sorry, so to face. That's right. The eyes. Okay, let's go on here. Good eye, iris visibility, improve it. Iris flare. Okay, as you can see a bit more. Eye enhancer. See the difference is really magic. Okay, so I can improve that. Maybe I want to dark circle removal a bit, improve eyebrows. I don't know if I want to do that or not. The mouth, I can change the mouth, all this. The important is not what you can do here, it's actually the way to get it. So like I said, I want to give more light to the face. Okay, now this become a bit overexposed, so I'm going to go back to develop. Here, develop, and go down the highlights a bit. Okay, but as I said, the important is not what you get, is how to get there. Ask things. As you can see, it's really, really easy. Let's go to another picture. Get this one underexposed with roots, Christmas. Let's go here, edit. Same thing, I don't know what to do. I'm going to ask here, as always, he asked me, how could you improve this picture? Let's say enhance the picture. And he's going to give me options. You like them or not? If you don't want them, you can go another way, ask different question, but the assistant is there to help you at any time. As you can see, it offers me 3 different editing. Let's get this one. Do I like it? Is applying it right now? If I don't like it, I will do it myself, but I will ask him how to do it. That's really important. As you can see, this is what he offered. Let's see before and after. That's not bad, okay, as you can see, okay. I could go back to the raw development here and maybe change a bit of highlights like this, the shadows a bit up, okay, and maybe a bit this, okay. But what I want to do now is improve skin. So we're going to ask again, go here, how to improve the skin. The face skin, we're going to say face skin. Well, there's not much other skin there, but it doesn't matter. See what it does. And it's just searching for the right answer for this picture. As you can see, it says go to face or go to skin. We're going to go to skin. Okay, here it goes to skin. Let's see a bit more here. I'm going to change the amount, remove defects, skin shine removal. We'll remove a bit of shine. She's got some stains here, okay. Birthmarks, we're going to ask how to remove or erase. We're going to ask imperfections and see what he says. He probably will send me to erase. I'm going to erase this, okay. As you say, go to erase, pick the size, okay, let's go. I'm going to remove this one here, this one here, this one here. Take into account some people don't want to have their birthmark to be removed, but this is to show you how it works, how it helps. But as you can see, it's doing the job before and after. As you can see, the picture is different, but important is not the result, it's the way I got there. Maybe I would like to have how to improve the iris. And I know how to do it, you already know how to do it, but let's say it's the first time you use the software, so you don't know how to do it. So it's going to help me check what I should do. I should go to face. Let's go here, zoom, and we have to want to have the iris visibility a bit more. Iris flare here. We want to enhance the eyes. As you can see, before and after. Thing is, it got me to the right place. Maybe I want to change a few things, the eyes or whatever. I can do it. The mouth, maybe teeth whitening, all this. I could do that. If I don't know how to get there, I just ask the assistant. So as you can see, the idea here in this video is not to show you the results, but to show you how the assistant is there to help you at any time, answering your question on how to do things you want to obtain. This is really different from an assistant that decides for you. This one asks you what you want to do, well, you tell him what you want to do, and he tells you how to do it. Really, really great feature for me. So, as you can see, it's really easy. You don't need to be an expert in using a piece of software. You just have to know how to ask the question and speak your own language and say, I want to do this, how do I do it? Or the AI itself can actually tell you some suggestion what you could do to improve your picture. I think this is great because not only you have help, but also you keep learning how to use it. Soon you will not have to ask, and you will go straight away to the right place or the right feature. But if new features appear, that will help you to learn how to use them. So this is for me, the best feature I've seen in a piece of software so far. This is a lot more useful than a simple help file that you don't really know how to search in there. Here, just ask and it will find it for you and tell you the way to go. So I hope you like this new Assistant AI, and if you want to try it, well, you know, use Luminar NEO. I've got links in the description where you can buy it. And don't forget, with Eric 10, get 10% discount on top of any offer they have. So still use it and you save some more money. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you feel it may interest other people, please share it on social networks. If you have not done it yet, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. The small button in here, it's a small bell. If you click on the bell, you will get notified when I upload a new video. My website, Gibaud.com. If you have any question, can leave a comment below. Don't forget, I've activated the member area of my channel. For just €1.99 a month, I will place a small star next to your name so I know you helped me, so I answer your question with priority. Thank you so much. Also have affiliate links in the description. Please use them. As I said, with Luminar NEO Eric 10, 10% discount, and with K&F, you will get a 20% discount if you use my code Eric20. There you will find all the accessories by K&F Concept and some more brands. So use it. That saves you some money. That helps me. Everyone happy. Thank you so much. Also leave you my PayPal account in case you wanted to make a donation. Thank you very much. Please take care of yourself and see you soon. Bye.